Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finalize the first floor and also all the surroundings, even the boundary wall. What I'm just gonna do is create a boundary wall around here. So I'm just gonna type in CS and I'm going to add the same wall as the boundary wall so that when we see it, we have something that looks like that. So I'm happy with this, and now we could basically continue working for our second floor. So here I'm just gonna change the base offset, and then we're obviously gonna add in a gate there. So we could do that later on, but now let's focus on creating the second floor. So now that we're in level 1, let's click on level 2 under our project browser. So click level 2. Obviously we can see the one below. That's our overlay. Actually we need that so that we know the layout and where the stuff are. So if you're not seeing your underlay, you just need to go to under your properties and scroll down, and then underlay is right there. You just need to put from none to level 1 so that you can see it. The good thing about underlay is you'll be able to select the furniture and then you can type in CS and basically you can add it immediately like that. So for now I want my underlay to be on level 1. It will make our life faster, especially by adding this stuff. So now we're going to use exterior wall. So here I could select the exterior wall, and by selecting that I'm going to type in CS, and now it's live. We will be able to add those immediately. So now I'm going to add wall center line and up to level 3, which is good. So now I'm gonna click on A1 up to B1 or A2, sorry. So now we're going to go down. For now we're gonna go and add in the exterior wall, and then after that we're going to edit some stuff. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna provide all the details later on, but for now go to C2 and go back here to C3, go down again to E3. So we're going to have this one overlap from the base below, and then now we have all the way right here to E1. Go up and close it off, A1 again. So now we have our exterior wall. The most important is where is the location of the stair. So right now we're going to add in interior wall. So I'm gonna select this interior wall and then CS, and then from there I'm gonna box this out so that we can have it close off. So now basically I'm just adding a wall for now. The distance will, and then we're gonna figure that out later on. So now here I have B1 and then I'm just gonna add it right there, and then we're gonna close that off. On the other side as well, we need to close it off. So for me, I'm estimating it right now, and then we're going to add a wall right here. So CS, we're going to connect it from this wall, from the exterior wall to the another exterior wall on this side. So that's added right there. And then in terms of the separation, we're going to have one wall below, just below the grid line. So here I'm going to add, and then from there it will be 760. So I'm gonna put this one, or I'm gonna move this one right there. I want this one to be 760. So just perfectly added there. So we will have 1, 2, 3, and then the masters. So we will have that. And then we're gonna close off this one. So CS, I'm going to connect it from here, and the distance for the corridor is around 1150. So 1150 right there. And then here we're going to have a washroom in between. So what I'm gonna do is, I want it to be 1900 from here. So here I'm gonna select CS, and then select this one again. I want it to be 1900. So now we have the washroom right here. I know it's small at the moment, but we're going to extend that later on. So we're gonna pull this off. So it's easy to just create the room separations first. So now this room is good, this room is good, but we're gonna take it off later on. We're gonna take off some, and then here is good. We haven't finalizing yet, so we're gonna do that as well. So now we're going to select this, and then from here CS, and then close it off. Like I said, we could select this one now. We have 2900, so that's perfect. So the distance from here to here is I like it. And then we might just extend this one. So let's extend this for now, and then we're gonna chip off some space right here. So exterior CS, we will have some space right here. So I'm going to have around 1700, and then for the distance I want it to be 2500. So like I said, 1700, and then this one is 2500. And then let's pull this out. So now we have opening right here, and then we're gonna get an interior wall, CS, and then let's add something right here to connect. But first, the distance around 1100 is perfect enough for the corridor right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this one, CS, and let's just extend it right there and then just connect. So we have an opening here for the washroom. We have a washroom right here as well. I'm gonna pull this one back and then select here, and then for the distance around 1700 as well. So for now, select that, CS, pull it up like that, and then here you make the adjustments without connecting everything like what I'm doing. And then now TR, because this is both interior wall, so TR, TR. So if we don't put any underlay, we're gonna turn that off for now. As you can see, it looks around like this. So we have a room here. We also have a room. We have a washroom right here. Washroom. This is the washroom for the masters. And then we could extend this one to have the walk-in closet. So I'm going to just cut it off right here, and then CS, I want it to be aligned, so AL and then AL. So this is completely aligned. And then here 2900 is good. We can create an opening right here. So I'm happy with what we've accomplished here. So in order for you to see much better, I'm going to add the door. So for now it's a sliding door, but let's change it to, I think, 700 to 750 by 2000. So let's see, 700. Yeah, 700 is good enough. So 700 by 2000. I'm gonna add it right there. Spacebar, I'm going to add it right here. And then here, we could add it facing like this, because we could put a closet area right here. So that's good enough space for the closet, and then the bedroom will be right here. In this one, I'm going to put it on this side, and then here we have a small space, but good enough space. So I'm gonna add it on this side, and then for the masters, I'm going to add it like that. And then here we're going to have an opening, because this is a walk-in closet. We don't need to make it open, or instead what I can see is we have the washroom right here, and then an opening for the walk-in closet on this side. So we only have this one. I'm still thinking if the washroom should be on this side and this will be the walk-in closet. Whatever we choose, I think it's much better to have the door on this side, because at least we can put an entertainment system here for the bedroom. So either way, I want this side to have enough space for the walk-in closet. So if we plan on adding it right here, that will be good. It's easier to go from the bedroom to just go to the washroom right here, and this will be the walk-in closet. So for now, I decided to just add the door right here and then create an opening. This will be the washroom now. So here we have 1600. Let's make this one 1700. And then this will be the walk-in closet. So here I'm going to select that. Click wall opening, select one side and this side. Obviously, we could add in a door if we want to, because for sure we don't want the smell to go in. So we can undo that. Select this one, CS, and then add the door right here. So now we still have a walk-in closet here, and then we have the washroom right here. And the good thing about this is you can play around whatever you want. You can decide. This one is a good enough space to have for the washroom. So at least there are washroom. I'm thinking of making this washroom exclusive for this one only, because at least this two or this one can be for this space only. I'm still thinking of that, because if you think about it, this washroom can be on this side, and then this one could have its own. So we could delete this. This two can share this washroom, and then now what we could do is we could delete this or just move it. I'm going to add the door right about here. What I'm planning to do is move this one. This is an exterior wall. This is interior wall. CS. Okay, so now we have a much bigger room. This will be the door for this, and we have the door for here. I think it looks much better now. We can also divide this one for a walk-in closet as well. So either way, we did a better layout. I'm going to CS. So now this is a walk-in closet and going to the washroom. And then here, this will be an opening only. So select this wall, click opening, and then now we could make this one just an opening. So now it's a lot better in terms of how you do it. And as you know, you could just move this one a little bit like that. So I think we did a good job on laying this out. We have a walk-in closet, this one as well, and then this one is the washroom. This is the washroom right here. Closet will be at the back with a closed door. So I'm happy with this, and we're gonna continue this on the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.